Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone! Hi! Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Amira. This is my partner.
Hello everyone, my name is Umay.
Umay, what are we going to do now?
Do anyone know?
Well, I guess the audience doesn't know what are we gonna do. Should we tell them?
I think we should. So everyone, today we will going to play a game about grammar.
So, you are going to give me guys questions about grammar. And you guys have to choose the correct words to complete the sentence.
But before we start the game, we need 4 people to participate in this game. Please raise your hand and we will choose. Chesta, come on. Kakak. Two people.
One more girl?
One more. Hadi, come on.
Who wants to answer the first question? Oh.
My dad doesn't fly a chopper. He flies a jumbo jet.
You're correct.
How does Miss Simpson figure out? How does Miss Simpson figures out difficult math problems that fast?
Yes, the answer is correct.
The question is 1. Do or does you sometimes come late to school? What's the answer?
Do you sometimes does come late to school?
That's incorrect, sorry. Hadi. Question number 2. We was or were be at the hospital when you called.
We were at the hospital when you called.
That's correct.
That's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Maritan and my partner.
My name is Vino Alfa Romeo. Okay, Raya, what are we going to do now? Do you guys have any idea?
So guys, we are going to play a game called
Vocabulary! But before that, we need 4 people to come here and play with us.
So we need to form the one who has already come. The girls. One more. One more.
So, you guys know how to play tongue twister? Okay, we will explain how to play the game. So, we will ask 4 students to play this game. Then they will choose a small roll of paper which contains a number between 1 until 4. Later, there will be 4 pieces of cardboard with a tongue twister behind it. So, the number that they got will be the number of the tongue twister that they will. Are you guys ready to play? So, for those who want to play, just raise your hand, stand up, and go to the front. We need 4 people. Raise your hand, guys.